Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be removing and reinstalling a master window switch in a 2000 Nissan Pathfinder. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. You can take some trim tools and go underneath here and pull the switch cover off. Pull that out. Disconnect this electrical connector. I'm going to use a straight screwdriver. Push down on the tab and pull it out. We're going to take the window switch off the trim. Take a Phillips head screwdriver and take these 3 Phillips head screws out. There's one here. There's 2 right here. Then the switch will come straight out. Now we're going to reinstall the window switch into the trim. Slide that on there. Take these Phillips head screws. And we'll screw these all in. Get them all started. Once they're started, then you can snug them down. I'm going to reinstall this window switch, install the connector, slide it on, click it down, and then these retainers right here, line these up, and then just push it down. I'm going to reinstall this cap over the screw right here. Just line it up, push it down, just like that. And then this little cover goes on this one. This little tab goes towards the outside of the vehicle. Line that tab up and then push it on.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.